Hello there, this is Robert Molina from Brick Luxury and Living. Today, November 21, I'm in Puerto Morelos. The reason that I'm here is because I'm gonna make a little walk around of this beautiful town. It will take me around 5, 6, maybe 7 minutes. So the idea of making this video is because I want to show you how gorgeous is this place, and of course I want to show you where are we building Soulam. By the way, Soulam, the reason of why I'm here in Puerto Morelos because I'm promoting these apartments, 20 luxury apartments, only one block away from one of the most spectacular beaches in the world. The name of this beach is Ojo de Agua. You can Google it. You will find out that it is a blue flag beach, meaning that it has no seaweed, it's clean at all times. It's just a beautiful place. You know, it has lifeguards and stuff, beautiful access. So, um, one thing that I do love about Puerto Morelos is this. Right now, I mean, in the entrance of this beautiful town, Puerto Morelos it has only 3 blocks from the Mangler to the sea, right? And then you will be finding all these beautiful places. And this street, the name is Javier Rojo Gomez. This street, around this time, around 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, it gets closed, and you know the restaurants get. Let me go through. Thank you. The restaurants uh, place their chairs and tables, you know, in the street. This is a lovely place. It becomes um, a really bohemian environment. Really nice. Most of the people here in Puerto Morelos, it's a foreigner. I'm talking about around 80%. And this is the lifestyle in Puerto Morelos. Just a beautiful place. All right. So since I started to film this video, it's been 2 minutes and 45 seconds. And believe it or not, I almost walked the third part of the town because it's really nice. Puerto Morelos, it is a completely um, infrastructural, well, the infrastructure of this town, it's already complete, meaning that if you get an apartment here in Puerto Morelos, you won't have any issues because everything is just like the city, but in a beach town that is, in one of the best areas in the world. I'm sure that you will love it. And talking about that, we are getting close to Soulam. Let me put this like here. Oh yeah, let's continue. Okay, so Puerto Morelos, for 14 blocks from there to there, 3 blocks from the beach to the Mangler. Okay, beautiful restaurants. You know, you will see a lot of this. You will see a lot of foreigners. You will see a lot of vegetation, and the avenue Javier Rojo Gomez, where I'm walking. So as I mentioned before, it gets close. It gets close behind me, like 1 block, and until here. Until here. Well, at least you live there. You can walk. You can drive through. Okay. Buenas tardes. Otherwise, you can. And okay. So that's the beach area, and I'm about to arrive to Soulam. So basically, from square downtown to Soulam. Uh, I'm walking slow. It's 5 minutes total. Well, 5 minutes 10. We have a couple of restaurants in this area as well. Let me tape it. Okay. Vegetation. Look at that. More restaurants. Oh, I went to that one yesterday. Really nice tacos, eh? Very recommendable. And I'm getting to Soulam. Well, the construction advance that will be Soulam right here. A little coffee shop, lovely. This is Soulam. All right here, beautiful. Ground level and level 1 is about to be complete. Right now it's 5:35 in the afternoon, so people it's about to, they have to go home and rest. This is how Soulam will look. It's a beautiful place. 20 units in total, 1 block away from the beach. Let me show you a little bit more. We have the penthouse, 5 2-bedroom apartments, 9 studios, and 5 1-bedroom apartments. So from here, I'm going to be walking to the closest beach. So Soulam is right here. Let's start time right now. And let me walk to the beach. So Soulam will have beautiful beach views, and it's only 1 block away from the beach. Let me put it here. And this is it. So here is the beach. Soulam is right over there, only 1 block. Okay, and this is the beach. Let's take a look. You will love it. So I was mentioning 20 units, all luxury. We have marble, quartz, Parota wood, luxury finishes, elevator, security 24/7, guard, valet parking, barbecue area, rooftop with the largest swimming pool of its type in Puerto Morelos. As well, we include a laundry area for those apartments that are too small, like the studios, in order to have a laundry in there. So we have as well laundry areas for each of the apartments of 2 bedrooms as well as the penthouse. We can include a little laundry area in the studios if you need it. Well, now I'm arriving to this beautiful location. Take a look. This is a blue flag beach. So we have a restaurant right in the corner, scuba dive store. This access has just been renovated. I'm talking about 3 or 4 months ago, maybe more. Take a look of the quality of this beautiful beach. The name of this beach is you will find this. So, it's just the life. Lifeguard over there, beautiful beach, people enjoying chilling out. Just another day in paradise. So what do you think? If you like to get an apartment here in Puerto Morelos, all you have to do is access to soulam.com.mx, register yourself, and one of us will be contacting you very shortly. I hope that you had enjoyed this video, and I hope this is too heavy, so I will upload it in the YouTube. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.